Hey, wanna know about the benefits of multimedia and ICT?
Multimedia, Information, Communication, and Technology, or ICT.
But before that, what is multimedia? Multimedia is a combination of different types of media such as text, images, audio, and animation used to present information digitally. Here are some of the major benefits.
Through the internet, messaging apps, and social media, people can communicate instantly regardless of distance.
Better communication. Students can contact teachers, workers can collaborate with teammates, and families can stay connected anytime. Simple terms, the internet acts like a huge digital library that is always open. Whether someone wants to learn academic lessons, practical skills, hobbies, or current news, information is available instantly through websites, blogs, videos, and online courses.
Streaming platforms, online games, music, and social media provide entertainment anytime. Users can watch, listen, and play using just one device.
Learning experience. Multimedia uses text, image, audio, video, and animation, making lessons more interactive and understandable. Online classes, educational, video, and digital activities help students stay interested and remember lessons better. Social connection. ICT helps people find communities with the same interests. Online groups and platform allow sharing ideas, hobby, and experience with others around the world. Continuous innovation, multimedia, and ICT continue to improve areas such as education and healthcare, and business through new tools, application, and systems.
Multimedia and ICT make life more convenient, communication faster, and learning more engaging. As technologies continues to grow, it will keep shaping how people interact, study, and work in the modern world. People can now connect with others across the globe through video calls, social media, and instant messaging platforms. Information is shared quickly, allowing students and professionals to collaborate and exchange ideas in real time. In education, multimedia tools such as videos, animation, and interactive presentation help learners understand lessons more clearly and make studying more enjoyable. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye!